Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to install BPython. So first of all, what is BPython? BPython is a lightweight Python interpreter that adds several features common to IDEs. These features include syntax highlighting, expected parameter list, auto indentation, and auto completion. Okay, so the command to install it is using this command, pip install bpython. So as you can see, I'm using Windows, but here I'm going to install it within WSL. Okay, so again, the command is pip install bpython. So as you can see, it is already installed. To verify its version, you can just say bpython -- version. So the version that I'm using is 0.26 on top of Python 3.10.12. Okay, so it is already installed, so I can just say bpython to get into the interpreter. And I can show you some code here. So I'm just going to copy and paste the code. So we can see that there's highlighting here, right? And here I'm just defining a dictionary. Yeah. And I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this without really explaining the code. But this is a netmiko, right? I'm just creating a SSH connection object to connect to the device. And here I'm going to send a command called show version and just say print output. Yeah, the output is here. Yeah, so as the documentation says, or as this website says, there is syntax highlighting, expected parameter list. I'm not going to go through all this, but you can see the difference between bpython and the regular Python interpreter. Okay, and to exit, yeah, so this is the auto completion here. All right, so that's how you install bpython in WSL. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.